Hello and welcome to how to connect Winamp to the Johnson Sound server. So the first thing we need to do is download Winamp. So all we'll do is just type in Winamp download into Google, take it to winamp.com with a picture of the llama and just download it there. We then open it up and then we just agree to standard install and we install it that way. Only takes a couple of minutes to install this, it's quite quick. Once installed, you need to give it permission to run and make changes on the computer, which is fine, that's a yes, that's not a problem. Then we choose our skin, so I like the bento skin large, so we'll have that. Yep, that's what we want. And then it will just boost up Winamp for us after saving the settings. So this is what we get once that's been done. So this is Winamp loaded up, so we'll just add some media to the library. We'll just do it on my desktop because that's where all my files are kept. This only takes a couple of minutes, it's very quick to do this. And then we just hit the close button. So what we can do for here is we just go back onto Google. And then that's when we look for the Shoutcast DSP plugin for Winamp. And we just download the Shoutcast source DSP here. Again, it's a very quick download, takes a couple of seconds. Yep, it needs to close Winamp in order to install the DSP plugin. So yep, that's fine, we agree to that and we'll install it. And that is it finished. So that's everything you need now installed onto your computer. So Winamp then wants to load, and this is what we're met with. So here we've got this little box is what we need. Now, first things first, what we do is we'll just get that up there, because I need that. So we just selected output, so in this case we went for output 1. So your local host, which is this one here, what we'll do with that is we'll say, yep, that's one we want to use, so localhost, we'll delete that, and then we just put in the hydra.shoutca.st, which is the test server, and it's spelled Hotel Yankee Delta Romeo Alpha dot Sierra Hotel Oscar Uniform Tango Charlie Alpha dot Sierra Tango. Now our port is 8098. Zoom ID is one, that's fine. So your password, the password will be provided to you from Johnson Sound. So just copy and paste that password in there. And then we go into the decoder. Now with the decoder here, what we need to do is we need to get rid of this bit here which says name for the server. We get rid of that and we just put in the hydra.shoutca.st again. You then go to your inputs and you'll just select your sound card. And this is here, just setting up my personal settings, which is these ones here. So that is the basic setup done. As you can see, when I'm talking, it's going up and down, which is saying it's picking up things, so that's always a positive. You've also got it here as well. So what we'll do is go to output again, and this time we go to the encoder. MP3 is what we're after. The encoder settings, we broadcast on 128 kbps with 44,100 Hz. So that's ideal for us. So that is all we need. So what we then do is we keep that there. We'll just push that button there next to the red X on the Winamp. It's called window shade mode. So we just push that. It then turns our Winamp into a nice little bar, which we can then just move up and out the road. So with this, we'll just have that sitting there. Let's get rid of that. And then what we'll do is we'll just load up Spotify so we've got something to play. So once our Spotify is open, what I like doing now is I open up the Johnson Sound engineering page on another device. So in this case, it's a phone. So that there is what's currently playing on the test server. So what I'm just going to do is put a wee bit of Brian Adams. So we'll still hear it on the test stream. So this is now connected, and as you can hear, it's playing through the test station, which is ideal. So that is the test station there, just streaming through my phone and saying, yep, that's you connected. Now to disconnect is very simple. You just push the disconnect button, and that is you disconnected. Now what we'll do is we'll just close down Winamp. So we right click there. And make that full, and we'll just close the Winamp. And what we'll do is we'll just reload Winamp, and we'll show you what it likes when it reloads. So as soon as you reload, same thing, push that wee button that will minimise it into one bar, and again, all your settings are saved here, which is ideal for you. And then all you do is you just hit the connect button, and that's you back online. It really is that simple and easy to do. So yeah, that's now the second way you can do it. So you've got the other video, which is for Rocket Broadcaster. And the next video I'll be making will be to show you how to make a simple promotional advert for the station for yourself to promote your shows. I'll show you how to use that by using Audacity and some free sample music, what I source from the internet. If you've got some sample music you've already got on your computer, fantastic, a wee bit easier. But that'll be the next video. Thank you very much for watching. It's been Anthony Crawford for Johnston Sound.